My name is Jonathan Harlfinger.
I'm Grace Schultz.
My name is Lilly Caines.
I'm Sarah Ziebarth.
I'm Natalie.
I'm Dayton Feldt.
I am a costume assistant.
My official title is technical engineer, or as Audric says, technical wizard.
We are creating a pseudo game of sorts to make it look like the actors on stage are playing a video game.
My role in this production is as a designer and a carpenter, so I'm mostly just designing set pieces and helping with the building and construction process.
Be More Chill is...
We're following a high schooler, right? Without giving too much away.
A kid in high school, Jeremy,
Who isn't really very popular.
He wants to be cool.
wants to fit in so bad that he
Goes to some means that not everyone would to try and fit in.
But as the story goes, it doesn't end up working the way he thought it was going to.
And it's kind of got a sci-fi twist to it.
I think a lot of students, when they realize that we have a theater, we got a lot of people very interested, especially in this production, coming back.
The fact that Audric has come and has revived the theater program here is really, really awesome, and it's incredibly exciting. And the fact that I was asked to be a part of it, getting to combine two of these things that I really love, theater and game design, is absolutely awesome. It's really, really fun.
I mean, theater's super cool because it's really broad. It takes more than actors to run a show. You have lighting and sound and tech and costuming and makeup and the people who build the stage. And I feel like a lot of people find what they want to do.
Dayton and I are working on a little documentary about it because I was involved in theater in previous years here at Stout.
I am a sound engineer, but my role is so much bigger than that. I'll be helping with lighting and rigging and all of this stuff, just because I have a knowledge base ready to go.
Well, literally I'm using so many of my skills that I've learned in my fashion classes to make costumes. Just the patterning and stuff for these costumes, I didn't just know how to do that. I learned in my classes and then I just applied them to this.
So it's a lot of construction and building and planning, and also has the creative aspect. So I'm still getting to come up with oh, how do these things tie thematically, and I feel a lot of those things tie into what I'm doing in class. I think something that's challenging about what we're gonna build for the show is that we're making a bunch of different pieces, and those pieces are supposed to be able to come together to create different forms.
The big baddie or the big boss at the end of our level is
And those are going to be the best costumes ever because they're...
This is the one thing that I don't know if Audric will want us to share, but we are going to be attempting